Hi, welcome to Educationleaves. In this video, I am going to explain the types of plant layout in details. In part 1, I have briefly explained the plant layout. Check that video in the I button and in the description of this video. Let's start the video. There are 4 types of plant layout: process layout, production layout, combination layout, and fixed position layout. Let's understand each type separately. 1. Process layout. In process layout, keep similar machines and similar operations in one place. In other words, machines are arranged according to their function. In process layout, all the lathe in one place, all the milling in another, and so on, arranged according to their function. Now, understand the layout by an example. From the storeroom, job will go first to the lathe section. After completing the lathe operation, it will enter the milling section, then job will go to broaching section, then it will enter the drill section. After drilling finish, job will go for inspection. If the job dimensions are correct, then it will go to the stock room. What are the advantages of process layout? 1. Better utilization of available equipment. 2. Workers are dealing with only one type of machines, so product quality will be better. 3. Workers in one section are not affected by the operation carried out in another section. Disadvantages of process layout. 1. For the same amount of production, the process layout needs more space. 2. Automatic material handling is difficult. 3. Production control becomes difficult. 4. Raw material has to travel a longer distance for being processed to finished goods. This increases material handling and associated costs. 5. It needs more inspection and efficient coordination. Number 2. Product layout. Product layout is also known as line layout. Various operations on raw material are performed in a sequence, and machines are placed accordingly to the production flow line. Product layout applies in mass production, where a huge number of the same product and continuous flow of the process is needed. For example, a job need lathe operation first, the second operation is drilling, then milling, then grinding. In this case, the machine will arrange according to the sequence of operation. Advantages of product layout. 1. Less space required for the same volume of production. 2. Material handling is lesser, which reduces time and cost. 3. Coordination will be better, production planning and control will easier. 4. Fewer skilled workers maybe do the work. Disadvantages of product layout. 1. In process layout, specified product determines the layout. A change in product involves a major change in layout, thus flexibility in the layout is reduced. 2. Rate of production depends upon the output rate of the slowest machine. This leads to excessive idle time of another machine if the production line is not balanced. 3. It is difficult to increase production beyond the capacities of the production line. 3. Combination layout. A combination layout combines the advantages of both process layout and product layout. These days pure process and product layouts are rare. A combination layout is possible where the item is made in different types and size. In such case, machinery arrange in a process layout, but the product layout is then arranged in the sequence of various types and sizes of the products. For example, a job first need to go to blank forging hammers, then hobbing machines for cutting gear. After gear cutting, it will enter the heat treatment furnace, then job will go to gear finishing machines. Advantages of combination layout. 1. It combines the advantages of both process and product layout. 2. Combination layout can be useful when a number of items are produced in the same sequence but in small numbers, and no item justified for individual production line. 4. Fixed position layout. In other types of layouts, The product moves past the stationary production equipment, but in a fixed position layout, the product kept stationary, and equipment moves around it. Fixed position layout is applicable in shipbuilding, aircraft manufacturer, etc. During an aircraft manufacturing, frame of the aircraft is fixed at one position, engines, airframe, instruments are made separately and assembled together at the end. In this case aircraft is stationary and equipment, worker are move around it. Advantages of fixed position layout. 1. It is possible to assign one or more skilled workers from the start of a project to finish in order to ensure continuity of work. 2. Involves the least movement of materials, manufacturing of large size product is possible. 3. A number of quite different projects can be taken with the same layout. Disadvantages of fixed position layout. 1. It involves a low content of work in progress. 2. It involves high equipment handling costs. If you want the PDF, link in the description. You can support my work by subscribing my channel. Please like the video, and thanks for watching.